Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Queen Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join us by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon. So whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video here that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching with you in this particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about the video after watching on the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye.
Somebody with the evil spirit said to the 7 sons of Sceva, it is Jesus Christ I know. Paul, I also know. Who are you? That should be the question. It's not everybody that talk Mazen Nandikanu or use Mazen Nandikanu picture or his or her profile picture that is a Biafran. Your enemies are using it. The evil spirit, you ain't know about Tisia, the 7 sons of Sceva. Tisia Henson. Well, about Tipu Henson. Or Banana Haba, Naba. Baloto, Chafona Haba. No panto. Now, also, the Bible said that the evil spirit overpowered them. Where were Robert Tisia Henson? That was what happened. Look, let me tell you people something. It's high time you begin to reason like a human, not like an animal. When you see me doing this thing, you will not understand it because you are not in the same level with me. I said to you people, if what I'm doing is not in line of my duty, DOH will stop me. They will. If you're Biafran and you see me doing all this thing, and they never caution me, that means it's because look, let me tell you how IPOB work. In my line of duty, nobody will interrupt me. It doesn't matter who you are. You see, this is my duty. My duty is to be online. They call on a top motor, open oka, or talk one nuruago, or talk oka yenne nuruago. Trouble and any damn way tetarola, no haters. People are not hating me. It's as if what I'm doing it's not working again. So if I'm going to okomoko one, nuruago open oka. And that's the reason why educating them na this field. Etana na just to put out for my name make Jesus na see what I'm getting. No, if educating them na I'm go open oka na newe. And nothing anyone can do. It does. They never born the idiot. Yesterday, I listened to this boy called Darlington. Look, let me tell you. If you go me a time with our number, come, I'm not here to talk about Darlington. The reason why I don't put Darlington for them be because now Darlington and we go around all with of money for. But when you are controlled by hunger, the reason why poverty is not a disease, it is a temptation. Listen to me. Poverty is never a disease. Poverty is a temptation. Because when you are poor, you can be manipulated. You can compromise. Especially poor and overambitious people. You are poor and you overambitious. What you have is not enough for you. You can be manipulated, you can compromise. You can become stupid and you don't know. And all the good work, it will go in the past. Yeah, but waste. Okay, let us say something. Let me take you somewhere now. During the time of Uchemefo, I don't understand the level and the meaning of DOH. And I said something. Do you know who called my attention? He never called my attention he called my attention with insult that follows it. Who am I to challenge the highest office of IPOB because I don't have the knowledge of what, I don't know the level of, because I believe that, okay, this person is after Mazen, and I was also playing emotion because it's my friend and I love him. As I'm talking to you, but you can be in love with anything. You can personally love somebody. I don't know how many of you who have listened to this our supreme leader. He will always tell you that he don't know why he like how do you call him? Our supreme leader always say, I don't know why I love Osibanjo. Is Osibanjo a good person? But he said, I don't. God can. He said, love is something that when you love, if you love somebody, you will see no fault in that person. You will see no fault. The person will be misbehaving, but you will not see it. You love till fault. You like somebody till fault. That's the reason why if you get into IPOB, if you have good friends who are members of IPOB, the first thing they will bring to you is, do not bring friendship into the struggle because it will force you to compromise. Are you listening to me? Do not bring friendship into the struggle because when your friend compromises, you will compromise. Now, Darlington was the one who corrected me. No, that I thought I was right until I was sat to explain the meaning of DOH. Until I now understand that that even my supreme leader body member of that DOH. I said to myself, we can get in a capona today. Because anybody can have a trouble at any time. If I'm a bose, or damage control. Damage control, obedience to all the commands. Anything I'm going to say, I've told you people, I've been meeting, I said, walk out of the meeting. I have no choice. Because I was the one who put myself in that trouble. I was the one, and I was warned by a comrade called Magnus Ago. Magnus Ago told me that he can't get that I am praying too much emotion and friendship into this struggle. And this Magnus Ago now want me for a shop. I'm going to time with a number. Go to Konya. I'll pay for my friend. Only report on my friend, Magnus Ago. Till today, I'll report to Takwamo Chotamo. If it's safe, only a Jemit enjoy or a Jemit or something, my friend. Because our friendship ended in my shop. But once we get to IPOB, fuck our friendship. Yesterday, I about money and because I see me can't go with many years ago. Nyaman we're hardcore, but I'm too emotional and I'm bringing friendship into. I don't like Magnus. The reason why I don't like Magnus, but I don't understand. When I'm Magnus, I'm not talking about Magnus. I just report one. Even say Magnus Abrodir Yonya, even say for me in Camelot, Magnus Abrodir, but up my friend. And the worst part of it, Magnus Ahaba dodge no Yamapuri. No, what I go or one no Yamapuri. It's a popular shop. Or even say for an cafe ya walagum or Bunote and Algego or 7 months ago, you 50 rand. Nanya, what you got Talia. It's any year gang. Magnus who go for your friend though, poor away from they should punish you that you don't come to meeting. Ona agwaja ka o gwata yourself emechi meeting o sikwa na shop go biakwa go ni anokwana. Now, and I sat down and I calculated it. I now understand the reason why IPOB USA don't bring friendship into struggle. That this struggle. Now, it keep that your friendship. Obona buy into democracy. It can be friend. Anybody, mellow your duty. If you perform your duty, na IPOB. Chineke bi n'eluigwe mmego ọnụ pụọ maka gị chukwu kpọọ m ọkụ mgbe m bido wee play with friendship and this thing Chineke kpọọ m ọkụ Chineke then I said to Elohim that I've sinned against thee and come short of your glory. That you are right in judging me, you are right in condemning me, but please allow me to maintain and allow me to repair the damages that I've caused. I said to him, allow me. Give me the opportunity to repair the damages that I've caused. Then, that's exactly what I'm doing. Darlington, you are among the people that reported me. You are among the people. You are among the people that corrected me. But the question now is, the same Darlington that corrected me, the same you are now committing the same mistake. I don't know when Nelly Ofe will become higher than the highest office of IPOB. I don't know what the woman have gave you. Darlington, listen to me. You know, anytime I tell you to go and hustle, you will think it's insult. The reason why I say go and hustle, make them not come carry tinted grass, carry your wife past you, go they wave them. I drug a son of governor, a man on go and hustle. Japan hustle, if you go for barbecue, you go kicking. If you Louis Vuitton, you go. You begin Miguel Vieira, you go to Yiri. Come here, go to original one, you go to fake one. Because now you go for the one, I go to original one. It ain't go to fake one. Oh, you can't kill me. He hasn't taken you and go to fake one. Some people there, you golden wash with gold. More and they got your phone and like golden wash, man. I mean, with it, you just go and get the golden. Oh boy, instead of hustle. Kali bukelu na meeting woman na weleze na emu opuna. We papi enye ya asese enye Darlington kokwo. Man, when I said this, to him or insult. Man, if I brought insult, why will I insult you? Because now these women, look, somebody called me yesterday. On asked me, Ikenga. Ne potakita no ina say ndi hanwulu no you should not ne kwe no nwe ndi hanwulu dey no instead not every ndi hanwulu obro every one ajadu enwel good ajadu good anwe ajadu bu a widow enwe good ones they respect themselves. Man, where the evil ajadu. Evil ajadu are those ones, if I find trouble under this 16, 17 years, and had a Darlington and I had a Darlington Bomas. He am a Darlington Booking, or I can only have fun. Darlington only nature that very fishy, all nature city. Darlington, our brother, Darlington Mormamu. You never know where, but the moment was in the book was some shut up. Now, money I hold, which is true. When I Darlington, our brother. For me, from now, what Darlington, brother. Him and if I know about him and he says, if I know about your tribal brother, I have to address him as a brother. He okay, the couple. Okay, half a time only half fun. It's not a kid. But if I may Bona, I don't know devil that possessed Darlington. Messina Darlington is not letting Keifan this native doctor Febu Because a criminal will always be the first person to call people criminal. Every information from Darlington Neku today, you can't believe now Darlington Jenna folio, Jenna defend. Now everybody be a politician before. Yes. Before. Well, yes. I'm even till date. I'm political products. And I talk to them. I speak to them. Political products. All of us were Bible politicians. Man, at the thing, all your art, and that's how to run a forensic investigation. Do you know the meaning of forensic? If they want to investigate it, they will not start from this year. They will start from your past record to know why you are doing. You see, look, if a man they can able to one Nigeria protest team, before, but opposition Amazon they cannot have denounced and denied this thing. Opposition when anything Amazon and they cannot be a measure. Anybody who will investigate him have to go back to his past history. That's a forensic investigation. That's how to do it. So, now I was working in Nigeria embassy before. Look, we are forced to be in one Nigeria before. So most of us have participated in the only thing here make if open be a character that looks like that political, like that of Ife Simon Ebaneme. That is it. You went to Finland. Maybe in Italy was on Jezeba and Balusudo Baluzia. Tom because none to most of you said, oh, Bodoibo. He jealous by a copper man with kissing agent also because from being a teenage also. After maybe why he need Tiosa and one. After Neo Soda, he need to know we fit in he does not cause a warfare line. Simon, I can't go, gonna tabac. In effect, I got no then we keep us in a waggy dollar so so man the question boom. And you are doing a good job. But that good job in a mebo. The question where follows that the political office ML announced the win on only he more con only he feel sign where bad there. And another question, Bo, can if I prevent as a politician, because he as a politician he presented the Finland 16 the memorandum of IPOB, if I got on. Can if you use your influence? Are you protecting something that we don't know? Are you scared of your career? Because he preach that you can do everything that you're a disciple. Oh yeah. So I don't get it. I don't eat. Everybody eat take up also want to do yeah, what fares, yeah, what fair yeah, what was any me here, man. So what man the problem, Paul. What are you doing with that your position? Then we notice political games that is going on. If we accuse you, you will know yes and I made a mistake.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next